In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update PowerPoint 2024. Updating PowerPoint on your computer is an essential step to ensure you have the latest features and security enhancements at your fingertips. Whether you use it for professional presentations or personal projects, keeping your software up to date can help everything run smoothly. Let's dive right into the quick and easy process of updating PowerPoint 2024. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. You can typically find it either as an icon on your desktop or within your applications list. Launching PowerPoint should bring you directly to a welcome screen or your most recent project. If you're already working on a presentation, you'll see that open. Otherwise, you can browse to find the presentation you want to work with, or simply start with a blank one. Next, you need to navigate to your PowerPoint presentation. If it's not already open, simply choose the file you wish to access for your work. It's always helpful to ensure your work is saved before making updates, just for peace of mind. Now turn your attention to the top of your screen. You'll see a menu bar and you need to click on the File tab. This is where you'll find an array of options and settings associated with your document and application. After clicking on the File tab, look towards the bottom of the list of options. You're searching for Account. Clicking on Account brings up a page with information about your PowerPoint installation and any subscription details you might have. On the account page, you'll see a section labelled Update Options. Click on this and a small drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu you'll see a few choices, but what you're looking for is the option labelled Update Now. Select Update Now to begin the update process. Once you've done this, PowerPoint will check for updates, and if it finds any, it will start downloading and installing them for you. This process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, so be patient. And there you have it, your PowerPoint should now be up to date. It's always good practice to periodically check for updates to keep everything running optimally. If you ran into any issues or the update didn't complete as expected, you might want to check your internet connection or restart your computer and try again. Thanks for tuning into this quick tutorial. I hope you found it easy to follow. Keep your software updated and happy presenting.